Today I'm going to show you something about the A3's audio that not many people are aware of. I'm not sure if all 1.4 or 1.8 models have it, but at least on the 2.0 model I have from the year 2016, it does have. And it's going to surprise you, and a lot of you can't even imagine that this exists. So let's get started, and I'll show you a tip about something nobody knows exists. As you already know, we have an original Twitter sound system here. We know that we have the standard sound system down here, and we understand that there's no sound coming from this area, even in the S3 models. Yet, the focus of this video is here on the control panel. Did you know that there is an original factory speaker in part of the panel which we refer to as stage sound? That's because it replicates the experience of sound on a stage inside the car. So let's proceed. I've dismantled it here. Some of you might have noticed that we have this little grill on top here, right above the screen that lifts up. There's this grill which, to my knowledge, has never been dismantled by anyone, or at least I've never seen a video of anyone doing it. But here we have 4 clips holding it, and there's a sensor, in this case for light or temperature, something along those lines. Here you can already discern that something is different, that we have got a little cutout that is hollow. When we look through it, we notice that we can see the light, but what else is hidden here? Look at this, fellows. Here's a sound from the original car. A lot of people didn't realize that we have got it up here. The original sound is like a mid-bass sound that is placed up here. I even searched to see if there's a hole on the side where we could install a small Twitter handle if we wanted to. But there's nothing more here, right? Although I think it's fascinating that we have this mid-bass speaker here at the front end. So to help you get a sense of location, the control panel is here, the screen is right next to it. And just in front of the screen that pops up from the dashboard, we already have this little sound piece. I thought it was pretty cool. I know that on the Audi S3, there's a small Twitter handle on the side. And that's one of the differences I figured out. And there's one more difference that I will demonstrate pertaining to the S3 models. I believe that we have another sound system here. Look, there's a mid-range speaker here, and the tweeter here. This spot already comes with a hole, but it doesn't have a sound because the sound only comes with the S3 model. I'll post a photo so you can take a look. This big gap that you see in the Audi S3, it comes pre-cut. Here it also comes with another speaker, so the A3 2.0 is a bit more basic because it does not have this sound. Alright, but I thought it was really cool. The tweeter is down here in addition to the rear doors. The Audi S3 has 2 subwoofers. I'll show you that you could also add 2 subwoofers to the A3 2.0. As you saw, the interesting fact in this video was to show that we also have a small sound here at the front. I didn't know it existed until I discovered it. So I'm going to take it apart and show you. Behind here, the other part that would be 2 subwoofers in the Audi S3, continuing here at the back of the back seats on the driver's side. When we take it out, we can see the difference. The Audi A3 comes with a subwoofer. So inside here, there is a subwoofer, as you can see. So this is the original subwoofer, and the Audi S3 comes with a tweeter, a mid-range speaker here with a tweeter attached to it. See this little cutout? It even comes with a cutout ready for you to add a tweeter. So if you want to improve the sound of your A3 audio, you can add a mid-range with a tweeter here and on the passenger side by removing this screen that is just fitted in. In the Audi S3, it comes with the mid-range and a tweeter here. So you can see that there is already another cutout for you to add another tweeter here with the mid-range. And here there isn't a cutout, but some people add another subwoofer. So you can add another subwoofer here and a mid-range unit with a tweeter too. That's the major difference between the Audi S3 and the A3. Looking at the A3 2.0, it comes with the subwoofer. It doesn't come with a tweeter anymore. The mid-range with a tweeter comes with the S3. The S3 also comes with the mid-range with a tweeter. Okay guys, if you didn't know these tips or these things about the Audi A3, here's a tip for you. If you liked it and have never seen any of this content, explaining it, showing it here, taking apart the car, do like it, subscribe to the channel. This is content by Noble Motorsport, original content that no one else does on the internet, so your subscription is definitely worth a like. Take care, guys.